guys, welcome to today's video. I'm Sarah, this is No BS Beauty. So today I thought I'd bring you my current favorite best hydrating serums or great neutralizing serums. So sometimes if I use copper peptides along with like a vitamin C or a retinoid or an exfoliant, I'll use like a neutralizing product between them. So some of these are great options for that as well. And in general, they're just really nice hydrating serums. So the first I'm going to start with, I've talked a lot about it. I'll talk about it just briefly today. The Hygiene Natural Repair Serum. It's currently at Stylovana. So I'll link to all these below. $29 for 4 ounces. So this is their baby size, but became increasingly harder to get. But it looks like there's still some on Stylovana. It's fragrance free. It's a really nice kind of a gel textured serum that works really nicely in most routines. It's got some really nice ingredients. It has no scent to it, which makes it really nice. I love the texture of it. It's just been a classic in my routine now for quite some time. Really ever since the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Serum. I had been using that one regularly for years, and then they changed the formula, increased the price, and then I found something else, and that I really went to this one after that. Now I've got a whole ton of ones that I love, but so it's got ginseng extract, which is a great antioxidant. It's got Jeju algae. Algae can be very protecting for your skin. It's got Centella, which is a great soothing ingredient. It's got several amino acids, and then green tea, which is a great antioxidant. It's wonderful, and you can get it really affordable at Stylovana in a big size, which is nice. Okay, next up I've got the Vegreen Rishi Serum, Rishi Barrier Serum, which is $16. So I will link to this on Amazon. It's shipped and sold by Vegreen. So this one's fragrance free. This one's got a really nice watery texture to it, so a little bit of it goes a long way. So this one I'll just pat onto my skin after cleansing. Typically, like in my morning routine, I'll do that, or occasionally in my evening routine. But it's really nice just to add a nice light layer of some good antioxidants. So sets to a really natural finish, and it layers well under other products. So it makes it a really nice additional layer of hydration. It's got mushroom extract, which is a great soothing probiotic, berry pairing ingredient. It's got Lactobacillus ferment, which is another great, it's actually good for anti-aging as well. And then green tea, no fragrance in it, wonderful product. I repurchased it. I think they changed the packaging because last time I purchased it, I picked up like 3 or 4 bottles at the same time because I was really into it. It's really nice for winter or for fall or for dry skin because it just layers so nicely underneath other products, which a lot of products don't do the same thing. So it's nice when you have super dry skin to be able to layer things on to keep it hydrated. So, okay, next up is the numbuzin number 9 BioLifting-sil essence, which is $26. It's called an essence, but it's a serum. Here's a little show to you of it, but I just saw, I think it was Style Korean has a beauty box for sale, and they've got the sunscreen version of this in there. But when I looked, I didn't see a K-Beauty version of their sunscreen, so I'm not sure, but it was the number 9 lineup, their sunscreen. So I wonder if it's American filters, which I don't like. But anyway, that's neither here nor there, but this is really nice. So it's got a really nice texture. It's sets to kind of a glowy finish, so it's great for dry skin, you know, skin that's kind of crepey, things like that. It's really great at plumping instantly. It's got a lot of great ingredients. It's got NAD+, which is a kind of a coming out, kind of a great antioxidant, newer ingredient for the last couple of years. It's got several peptides. It's got over 50 different peptides in there. Obviously, small amounts of each peptide, but great peptides, antioxidants, peptides that are soothing, peptides that are anti-aging, all of that good stuff. It's got Beta-Glucan, great hydrating ingredient, soothing ingredient. It's got vitamin E. And then we've got Astaxanthin and Resveratrol, which are both strong antioxidants, which are great for your daytime routine. So this one you can certainly use daytime or evening. It's a wonderful product, no scent to it, really affordable. I'm probably in my 3rd or 4th, probably 4th or 5th bottle. And I've got my backup in my beauty room right now. So, okay, next up is the Prequel Multi-Quench Serum, which is $28. I will link to this at Prequel Skin. So this one's fragrance free. So this one's a really nice serum. I don't think I reviewed it yet, but this week I'll be reviewing their half and half, which I'm loving. They're half and half. If you haven't tried it, it's wonderful fluid moisturizer. And I can review this too. I haven't done that one, this one yet either, I don't think. But there you go. You kind of see it's kind of got a watery gel texture to it. which is nice. It's super lightweight, water-based, fragrance-free. So really soaks in nice and sets to a natural finish. So if you've got oilier skin or prefer a kind of a natural finish, this might be a nice option. I prefer a glowy finish. I just microneedled a couple days ago. I did some microneedling, so my skin's soaking everything up. It still kind of stings a little bit, but I might have overdid it a little bit with the microneedling, but I love a glowy finish on anything. So this one's got polyglutamic acid, which is great for hydrating your skin. We've got ectoin, which is a wonderful ingredient. It's great for so many different things. It's great for protecting yourself. It's great for soothing your skin. It's great for barrier repairing. It is an amazing protecting ingredient that does pretty much everything, and it plays well with every other product you've got or every other ingredient you can possibly think of. We've got hibiscus extract, and then last but not least is vitamin E, no fragrance in it. Really wonderful product from Prequel. They've got great stuff, and they're still pretty affordable, which is wonderful. So, okay, next up is Bubble, their Water Slide Moisturizer, Hydrating Boosting Serum with Peptides and Hyaluronic Acid, which is $17. So this one's fragrance-free. It's got I think pretty much all of them are fragrance-free. It's got a gel, kind of lotiony serum texture to it. Let's see, there we go. So this one's got a lot of good ingredients in there. You can see it's kind of got a glowy finish, but once it soaks in, it sets to kind of a natural finish, which is really nice. So this one's really nice and hydrating. It's got some anti-aging ingredients in it. So it's got the Matrixyl 3000 Peptide Duo, which is known to help with wrinkles from repeated movements, expression wrinkles, forehead wrinkles, all that good stuff. I can't do mine very well because of my Botox for migraines, but I can do them a little bit. Yeah. Squalane, great ingredient. Mushroom extract again. And then we've got vitamin E and ceramides. It's really a lovely product from Bubble and pretty affordable. And I love seeing a nice combination of hydrating ingredients and peptides. Can't beat that, can you? Not really. Okay, next up, I've got the Peach and Lily Glass Skin Refining Serum. This one's $39. It's a wonderful product from Peach and Lily. They've got some great stuff. So, this might be my new bottle. I'm trying to think. I can't remember what number bottle I'm on at this point, but I've repurchased this a lot of times. But it's got a really wonderful gel serum texture. It kind of sets to a slightly radiant finish, but not terribly shiny compared to some of the other ones, but it does soak in. It's a water-based serum. So in here we've got lots of goodies. Yam root extract, which is also called phytomucin, really wonderful ingredient. It's great for hydrating skin, soothing skin, and perhaps even anti-aging benefits. We've got madecassoside, which is derived from Centella, which may have collagen and elastin production properties deep down in skin. We've even got some peptides and beta-glucan in here. So this is kind of the powerhouse product. It's got a little bit of everything. It works for everything: soothing, anti-aging, hydrating, protecting skin. It's got it all going on. And it does that all while being unscented, which I love. Makes it wonderful for most routines. Okay, next up, coming in at $22 is the Inky List Exosome Hydro Glow Complex Serum, which is a fragrance-free. It's a super light serum. It's a nice way to add extra moisture to your routine, as well as some anti-aging benefits. Let's see. I just talked about this a couple days ago, I think. There we go. Okay, where did I do it? Right here. So it's really nice. I would say this sets to a matte finish, almost. Supernatural finish that's almost matte. So it doesn't give as much of a glow, but it's really wonderful for adding some hydration. So in here we've got ectoin again, great for every possible thing your skin needs. It's got sodium hyaluronate. It's also got ubiquinone, which is a super strong antioxidant and really good ingredient to have in your daytime routine. If you've got good antioxidants and you use them in your daytime routine, I think it will help your skin a ton. Ascorbic acid, resveratrol, astaxanthin, idobinone or ubiquinone, great antioxidants. Green tea, another great one. Then it's got Centella exosomes as well as peptide. The Centella exosomes, when it comes to exosomes, they're kind of hot at the moment. Exosomes, PDRN, all that good stuff. And I found they kind of help to hydrate and plump skin out. I'm not sure that they're like the end-all be-all, but they're kind of a newer tech, and so far so good with exosomes. I'm finding they seem to help with fine lines and wrinkles. So, okay, next up is the Medicate Advanced Liquid Peptides MP, which is regularly $94, but I got this, I think it was 30% off. So if you're going to get this, check out for a sale. Wait for a good sale, because $100 is a lot of money. If you're going to drop $100 on a product, I would suggest maybe saving up a little bit more and getting the Skin Medica TNS ceramide treatment cream. Actually, that if you get the treatment cream, it's even a little bit less than that this product is, but this stuff is still wonderful, that being said. So it's kind of got a lotiony serum texture. I'm going to apply it a little bit right here. So I've been using this after a microneedle because of some of the good peptides in here and the additional moisture it offers. It's kind of got a natural finish, so it's not shiny or anything like that, kind of a natural finish. So this stuff's nice. So one pump of this is enough to cover my face and neck, so that's a nice thing. It's got the nice lotiony texture. So for beneficial ingredients in here, we've got inulin, which is a great probiotic. We've got matrixyl synthesis peptide, which is a great peptide for expression wrinkles and fine lines. We've got the Tegopep 417 peptide, which is it's claimed by the manufacturer to protect collagen from breaking down. So there's a lot of ingredients that help with collagen production. This one helps slow it down from degrading. So kind of a interesting way to look at it. It's got the Lufazil peptide, which is, again, similar to like Argiline, Botox in a bottle peptide. We've got the Syncal peptide, which is said to help with collagen production. We've got Matrixyl 3000 peptide duo. We've got the X50 anti-aging peptide duo, which is supposed to help slow collagen production degradation down. And then last but not least, we've got the carnosine peptide, which is another great anti-aging peptide. So some good peptides in this one. We've got two left. The Anua Rice 7 Ceramide Hydrating Barrier Serum, which I just finished this month, so it's empty. But I love this stuff. I'll be repurchasing it again. It's $22, really wonderful. Fragrance-free. It's got a goopy kind of serumy gel texture. I prefer to use this one at night, and I prefer to use it all the way face, neck, and chest a little bit. It's really wonderful. A little bit goes so long. It's got radiant finish. So we've got rice extract in here, great soothing ingredient. We've got panthenol, hydroethyl urea, which is a great humectant, ceramides, yam root again, and then vitamin E. It's really wonderful. If you haven't tried it and you've got dry skin or it's dry where you live, this stuff's wonderful. It really plumps up your skin instantly. And then last but not least is the Klairs Fundamental Watery Oil Drop Ampule. It doesn't say, that's it. Oil drop. That's $21. It's fragrance free. So this one's got kind of a watery texture to it, but it really nicely plumps skin up super quickly. So let's see, there we go. It's super hydrating, but it's got kind of a water-based texture to it that feels super light on the skin and gives your skin some nice moisture without feeling heavy or anything like that. So it makes it really unique. So in here we've got green tea, great antioxidant, protecting ingredient, rice extract, licorice root, ceramides, and peptides. It's wonderful at $21. I love this entire line from Klairs. Their fundamental line is great. It's amazing. If you haven't tried any of it, it's great. The eye creams are wonderful from this line too. If you're looking for something for brighten up your eye area, I think it's their fundamental eye butter, I want to say. Wonderful. 10 out of 10. Love it. Okay, so that's what I got for today. Check out my website, nobsbeauty.com. I've got some products up, some bags, and goodies, so check those out. Please subscribe if you haven't. Thanks so much. I will see you guys more tomorrow. Bye, guys.